Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10. In this video I will show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter biometrics and password, and go to lock screen password. First method you can select is 6-digit PIN, but if you go to change unlock method, you can select 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern and password. Let's use only 6-digit PIN, because basically they are the same, but with the different length. Now, let's go again to change lock screen password, and this time select password. Enter 4 to 32 characters. And in the end, let's select pattern. Tap done, and let's try it out. Once it's done, we can go to Fingerprint ID, select Unlock Device, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust fingerprint position as shown on the display. Tap OK, and let's try it out. In the end, we can go to face recognition, and simply we have to scan our face on this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.